The roar of American luxury begins right here on V8X, where power meets passion and every machine tells a story. And today that story starts with the gleaming white 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, emerging from the shadows like a symbol of pure prestige. As our camera moves into a powerful front-right hero view, the sculpted LED grille lights up with a commanding presence. The chrome accents shimmering under the open-air US showroom lights as the American flag waves proudly in the background, reflecting across its flawless diamond white paint. Sliding into a long, cinematic side profile, we see the limousine-like length of the S-Class stretching across the marble floor with the elegance only Mercedes can engineer, each body line flowing like it was carved by the wind itself, every contour made for dominance and refinement. The camera glides smoothly into the rear view now, where the futuristic light bar glows like molten red glass, the quad chrome exhaust hinting at the powerhouse beneath the hood, a refined yet ferocious engine that delivers the kind of commanding performance the S-Class name has earned for generations. And as we drift inside the cabin, the world slows down. The ambient lighting breathes softly around the sculpted leather seats, the massive digital cockpit illuminates with crisp futuristic detail, and the hand-stitched panels whisper luxury from every angle, wrapping the driver in a sanctuary crafted for pure comfort and executive tranquility. Rising upward into a top drone view, the S-Class stands in the center of the showroom like a crown jewel of engineering, its panoramic roof glowing under the lights as the American flag casts a proud reflection across the glass. Then the scene shifts, rubber meeting asphalt, as the car rolls onto a coastal US highway, the white body gleaming beneath the golden sunlight, the engine delivering a surge of smooth, relentless power while the world blurs quietly behind it, creating that unmistakable feeling of commanding the road with absolute confidence. As dusk settles, we enter the night showroom scene, where the S-Class transforms into a glowing masterpiece. LEDs trace its silhouette, chrome reflections dance across the polished floor, and the whole machine radiates a presence that feels futuristic, elegant, and undeniably dominant. In the United States, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class begins at around $120,000, a price that reflects not just a vehicle, but an experience, an executive statement of luxury, technology, and unmatched engineering. And as the final shot pulls back, the engine hum fading into the cinematic echo of the night, remember this moment, this machine, and this feeling, because here on V8X we bring you the world's finest machines with power, precision, and passion. If you enjoyed this cinematic journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow V8X for more breathtaking automotive experiences, where every drive begins with a roar.